Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about something more in a Bootstrap. So we're going to talk about a little more of the nav. We just talked about them previously, but now I'm just going to put something new in the nav chapter. So let's just talk about it. I am just going to talk about the tabs here. So first of all, we just need the UL again as we did previously. So I'm making a UL and then I'm just going down. I'm just going inside the UL and I'm just making the other stuff done, a hyperreference which is necessary, and after the hyperreference I'm just gonna make it, and okay, done. Now I'm just going to the UL and I'm just putting the value inside the UL. I'm just making a class here. First of all, I need a nav, so I just put it in nav, and then I'm just clarifying that I just need a nav tab. So nav tab, okay, cool. And like we did previously, we need this nav item. Okay, I need the class first, and inside the class I'm just gonna put those things, nav items, and I'm going inside and adding in a space and the class again, and here the nav link. Okay, and here the tab 1. Okay, what is a tab? I'm just gonna clarify you a little more once you see them, but for now you need to see what I'm just gonna make another class. Actually, I'm just gonna make tabbed data. I'm just gonna make a data which is organized in tab. Like you just browse in any browser, you can have a lot of tabs. In the same way it'll work. A class nav link again, tab 2, and save it. And after saving, I need to just save this. I need to go to the browser and refresh that. So there it is. For now both are looking actually same, the tabs. Go back and refresh that again. Now these are actually tabs. When I just click there, you can see that a box around it. When I just click here, I see a box. You can see a box around it. So wherever we click, we can see the box around them. This is the tabs. But in a tab 1 there is nothing. When I just click on tab, like we can have multiple tabs here, but when I just click there, I can have the data of this tab. When I just click there, I can have the data of this tab. But in the same way, when I just click here or here, I just cannot have any data because these tabs has no data at all. So now the time is to put the data inside those tabs. So let's just put the data. And what I actually need to put the data inside the tab is, first of all, we need to make the navs. We've made them here. We made them, and now, okay, we've made almost three or two tabs. Okay, now right after the UL, I need to go down. Okay, and I need to create a div here. One more line break and the div here. Now in this div, I'll be putting the data, and the class I'm adding in this div is the tab content. Now I need to go inside the tab content, and I'm just gonna make the other things inside the tab, and now I'm just making the div like that, and the class here, the tab pane. Okay, and then add in a space and the container, and there I can put anything. Like this is the data of the tab 1. Okay, container means the container, and one more thing I need, and there is the ID I'm just gonna put is the tab 1, and the same ID I need to put here, tab 1, and absolutely this is gonna be the tab 2. So I think now you understood that it is pretty simple to do. Simply I'm copying that and pasting that here, and this is gonna be the tab 2. So save it, and now I need to go to the browser and refresh that. So when I just click on the tab 1, I can see, okay, refresh that. I'm not getting any data. That means I just missed something. I need to see that back. The tab content spelling is correct. Almost everything is correct, but I just forgot one thing, that I need to clarify the data toggle, and it is the tab. Whenever we use the data toggle, it's the JavaScript things, and we just clarify that what we just want to do. So data toggle again and tab again. Now you can see that when I just click on the tab 1, I see the data of the tab 1. I just click on tab 2, I see the data of tab 2. One more thing, when I just go there, when I just refresh the page, so I just see nothing around it. Means no data inside any tab. So if you just want to show some tab by default, you need a thing to do. You need to add the active command here. Active class has been added, and the same thing we need to do here too. Active. Now the first tab data will be active. Refresh that. Now you can see that this is active, but when you just click there, you can see the tab 2. I just I just realized that when I just click on the tab 1 is now completely working. And the reason I just found out that it is, I just put it the nav item here. It should be the nav item 2. I just put it the nav tab by mistake. So now go there, and now you can see that when I just click there, when I just click there back, it's not still not working. Nav item, okay. Save and go back. Refresh that. Click back. Click back. Now it's working fine. Now it's looking fine, it's working fine. That was the problem we was having. So now we have the nice tabs.